before we take down the sway bar bushing bracket, I'm going to spray those so that hopefully we don't get any broken nuts or studs. So now I'm going to take a 14mm socket and I'm going to take that nut off and that nut off. And that bracket will slide down. Take that out of the way. I've already undone the other side because you have two identical brackets and bushings. So we're just going to show you one side. And you can take that bracket right out of the way. Your bushing here has a little cut in it. It's right there. I'll show you. And then just pull it aside. Now this sway bar is kind of worn, but we're not going to replace it. We don't have one to replace. What we're replacing the bushing is because it's oblong and it's making a banging sound. So we're going to install new bushings. And before we install the new bushing, we're going to cake it with a nice dielectric silicone grease paste. That will stop that from wearing out any faster on that sway bar. Take the split, lift it open. Rid of the excess. Take that bracket. Slide that bracket right back up in there. Hand start the nuts. All right, so now we're going to torque up this sway bar bushing bracket, and it's a 14mm socket. Like I said, there is no torque spec, so basically we're going to bottom it out, both sides together equally. I'm not going to do one side and then the other side. I'm going to try to go back and forth so that way it doesn't hinder the tightening of this. Sorry. So once it's bottomed out, I give it a nice half a turn.